Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a really creepy creature from Poppy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this character, and it's very creepy looking. So here's my sketch. So to begin, and actually this is very easy to draw, and we're just gonna draw in the face first, and then we'll just kind of go around and draw in the head. Alright, so to begin, we're just gonna draw in the eyes first. So we'll just draw in pretty much 2 circles, and they're a little bit close to each other. Okay, once you have that, on the inside, just one more. This looks like they're the eyeballs in here. Alright, and then once you have that, add a little highlight right here and just shade around it. Alright, once you have the eyes, let's go ahead and draw in the mouth. So right in between here, I'm just gonna draw one little hump like this first, and then we're gonna go around the eye. So just curve around the eyes, right underneath. And then the corners right here, this is gonna be the corner of the lip, so just one big bracket. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw in the bottom. So we're gonna come all the way down here, just go all the way down. Just leave a little bit of space, and then it's a little bit sharper here, so just round it out, but just make it a little bit sharper. Alright, so it's almost like a little heart shape, I guess. Alright, and then from here we're just gonna give in a little outline here. So I'll start in the middle again, and I'm just gonna go around. And then here it's gonna be a little bit tighter, so we're coming, just curving in. Come all the way down. Alright, and then once we have that, the teeth are really easy, and I'm not going to follow the reference too much. Just add in some of these little angles everywhere, and you can put in more if you like. It'll look a lot creepier if you have a lot more teeth, but I'll just put a few. You guys can put more if you like. Alright, so that's the overall face. So now let's draw in the rest of the head. Alright, so we're going to start on the top right here, right in the middle. So just come up, you can make a little point. Just come across the eyes first. And then now we're going to add a little bit of a hair right here. So we're right around here. Now we're going to go all the way out. I'm going to add one more. So we're almost at past the edge of the mouth. And then let's go one more. So one little hook right here. Alright, so from here, we're gonna draw in the bottom first. So right underneath the lip, I'm just gonna draw a little outline around it. So this will be the chin. Okay, so now whatever space you have here, I'm just going to add a couple of these little angles again for the hair, and then just close it off. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same, it's just supposed to be hair or fur. Alright, so that's the head, and that is definitely the trickiest part, and the rest is a lot easier. Alright, so let's draw in the little, it's got a little tie here, a little bow tie. And then a side right here, just go out. Inside right here, just follow to make it, give it some thickness here. And then now for the little loose ends right here, so just come down and a little wobbly rectangle. All right, and then from here, we're gonna join the body. So here's the shoulder. I'm just gonna come out, this will be part of the fur. I'm just gonna draw that first. So come down right here, this is gonna be the armpit. And then for the body, just gonna come down, give it a little bit of a curve. And then again, I'm gonna add in a little fur right here. This will be the hip area. All right, so from here, the leg's gonna start down here, but let's go ahead and join the arms first. So for this one, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a pose. So I'm gonna continue this. Here's the elbow. Here's the armpit, and I'll come down. I'm gonna add one little, again, just a little bit fur detail right there. And then we'll go up. I'm gonna have the hands kind of go up a little bit. So we'll go up. Again, one little curve. And then here's the bottom. Go out. And now whatever space you have here, I'm gonna add just a little bit more, just the fur detail right there. All right, and then now we can draw in the little hands, and they're kind of like, almost like Muppet hands, so not much detail. Just right here, one little bump for the thumb. And then here is, I guess, the bottom of the palm. And then from here, just draw, just kind of round it out. And I'm just gonna add in a couple of lines right here, because it looks like it doesn't have any fingers, but there's a little bit of a crease, right? All right, so now let's draw on the other side. And again, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a pose. I'm gonna come down here. One little angle for the fur. Let's come down here on the bottom. Same thing here. So this will be the elbow. And then now we'll go, let's just have it go up a little bit. Or sideways. Okay, and then angle. And then again for the hands, the thumb's gonna be right here, just one little hook. And then here is the bottom of the palm. And now we just extend it, just round it out. And then again, two little lines for the crease. All right, so those are the arms, and now let's draw in the legs. So legs are really simple as well. So let's go out on the outside first. Again, one little fur here, so that will be the knee. Now I'm gonna come back in the middle right here. Just one curve, just go all the way down to the knee. Just add a little bit of fur detail again. And then now I'm gonna come down. Again, a little bit of fur, and then just kind of close it off. Some angles again. So same thing here, come down, flare out, and then just kind of close it off like this. All right, and then for the foot, really simple. It's almost like the hands, kind of like doesn't have much detail. So one little hook like this first. That's gonna be, I guess, one of the digits or the toe. And then right here, come out, and then just curve it into this shape right here. Okay, so this will be, I guess, the bigger toe. Then right here, go out, just round it out, come back and connect to that. And if you want to add in some details, just add one little line like that, just again, just so the creases for the fingers. Alright, so that is it for this creature from Poppy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.